Hello everyone, I'm Daniel's son. This series of videos are for children who are learning English. It is very helpful for every child because it can lay a good foundation for your pronunciation. Therefore, you are welcome to read along with my series and don't forget to subscribe and like my videos. Enjoy. First Little Readers, I Wish I Were a Bird by Liza Charlesworth. I wish I were a bird. I wish I were a bird. I could hatch from an egg. I could hatch from an egg. I could live in a nest. I could live in a nest. I could fly all around. I could fly all around. I could eat a worm. I could eat a worm. Yuck. Yuck. I wish I were a cat. I wish I were a cat.